Alright, I just want to show everybody how to use this forklift attachment. As you can see, it's like a somewhat of a replica of a forklift, sorta. But anyways, as we all, if you have a Cosmo, you understand how he works. He basically has these little hooks on his lifter, and they're meant to lift up the block, but they're also meant to release the block when he just lowers it. So the same thing happens with the forklift attachment. It has the same type of slots in the back. You slide them on, you pull them down, and he functions that way. But as soon as you lower the lift enough, it'll actually release the forklifts. And also what I found is even just a little bit of upward pressure will release them. So I designed this little clip, and it may seem somewhat frustrating to get on it first, but it's actually pretty easy if I remember how to do it now myself. So you basically need to start it at an angle here. So you get that up, you see how it just went over the top, and then you can just rotate it back and it'll go right on. So then to attach it to Cosmo, it's best if his lifter is down, and you want to line up the hooks with the slots and then just kind of slide it in place. You only push it forward a little bit. Okay, so we're lined up, snapped in, push it back, pull it down. Now he's not going to lose his forks, and he can pick up whatever item is that you want to design. I just have this one item design, but I'll probably make multiple items. I think this will be a fun attachment for my son. And then in order to take the forks off, you just push them up like you would the block, tilt this back, and that exposes that clip. There is a little lip on that clip, so you kind of got to pull it back. And I printed this in PETG, which is somewhat flexible. Maybe ABS would work. PLA, I don't know if that's too stiff or not, but and that's it. Back to normal use with the block. Thanks, guys.